All right, here we go. So today we're going to be taking off this whole tail section. The tank, I just laid it on there to keep it out of the way, but I'm going to go ahead and strip this off. I want to take all the pieces in the back here off. I want to get the battery off. I want to get the fender off. I might cut this section of the frame off just to get it out of the way. Not a final cut, but just a cut to get it out of the way. Cut the top pieces off. Just go ahead and clear the whole back out to try to give me a visual of what it's going to look like. I have an idea of the lines that I want for the tank, and the line for the tank and for the seat. I'm waiting for my seat to come in, so I want to make sure that's all lined up. So right now, I'm going to strip it apart. Now make sure you guys have a bunch of Ziploc bags if you're going to tackle this. Bag all your parts so you know where they go, so you don't get, you know, crazy and lose stuff. Look at this thing. It's even got the factory tool kit in it, and it's got a tire pressure gauge, the factory Honda tire pressure gauge, which is pretty neat. So all right, let me get this stripping this thing apart. Alright, so this is where we're going to stop for today. We got this whole tail section off, we got the pipe off, we have to fight getting that header out of the H-pipe, but we got it all stripped down to this right now. So we're going to go ahead and call it a day for right now. This subframe has got a little tweak to it, probably from the crash, so we're going to go ahead and cut this whole thing off. We're going to cut it off all anyway to put the cafe seat on it, but you know, you look at tires like this and wonder why they crashed. So we're going to go ahead and strip this thing the next time, but for right now, guys, we're going to leave it right here. And please like, subscribe, and check out what we're doing with this bike. And until next time, this is Tepco Cycle Repair.